Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Henny here from DGC Hustle Hub, and if you're new, please consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified the moment I upload a new video, and you will stay updated with all the latest trends on the Steam.io, the latest tutorials on Steam.io. In this video, I want to show you how you can create a landing page, a squeeze page, step by step, and how you can capture emails and market to your prospects. Okay, so stay tuned for this video and follow step by step. If you do not have a Steam.io account, I will leave a link below this video, or you can just go to the Steam.io homepage, click on the Get My Free Account, and just follow the step-by-step guide on how to sign up. But I will leave a link, so you can click on the link and you can sign up through the link. If you have an account, you can click on the Sign In button, and it will direct you to your main dashboard, which looks like this. And for this purpose of this tutorial, I have deleted the funnels which I created before. I will start from scratch and show you exactly how it's done. So we're going to sales funnel. We're on the sales funnels. As you can see, there's nothing in here. We will create a new one, and we want to give away a digital product, which is an ebook. Okay, this is like a lead magnet just to capture emails. People interested, they will supply you with their email. You will send them a free ebook. And then the second part of this, I will show you how to set up the funnel so you can sell the ebook to them. Okay, so stay tuned and follow step by step. Okay, so first of all, we will give this book a name. Let's say digital marketing. Okay, so this will be my funnel name, and we have to choose the funnel goal. Okay, so for this purpose, we want to capture email. So we want to build an audience, right? So we will select build an audience, and here we can select our currency. I will select US dollars. Okay, so I selected my currency, and I will click on the Save Now button. The Save button, and this will save this funnel to my this funnel step to my funnels. As you can see, I named it digital marketing. This is what this funnel is all about. I want to sell a digital product or give away a digital book. And once if you click on this, you will see this funnel currently has two steps, two funnel steps. It has a squeeze page or a landing page where you'll be capturing someone's email, and then it has a thank you page. So we haven't selected any template. So once you click on it, it will ask you to select a template. They have hundreds of beautifully designed templates. Let me just move this out of the way, and I'll select 30, so we can scroll through here, and until we find a template that we can use that has all the elements we need. In this case, we want to give away an ebook, so let's find something related just to make it easier, and we want to make sure there's a form on it. Let's preview this one. Yeah, this looks great. Got a nice, neat and clean heading that already has the image in it as a form where people can submit their name and email address. This looks great. So we will use this one. Okay, so we click on the Select Now button, and now we have a quiz page, and now we need to select a thank you page. Okay, this one looks great. So we'll select this one, and that's it. So now we can start editing. Once you selected your template, you want to head over to your squeeze page, and over here you can see the path. So we will just call it my book, so we know what this is all about. And if you click out, if it's available, and the same for your thank you page, we'll just change the path, thank you page, and if you click out, it should give you the tick mark. Let's go back to the squeeze page, and now we're ready to start editing. Okay, so you click on the edit page, and now you're on the editor. Okay, so let's call it my book. Are you ready to learn? So you can change all this by clicking on the element, highlighting the text you want to change, or you can delete it, add new elements. You find all the elements, text, headline, if you want to add a new headline in here. So let's just edit this one, and I will just speed it up while I edit it. Okay, so I just put some text in here just to show you how this works, but you get the idea. So you can customize and edit it like you want it for your specific product. And when we click here, we can upload an image. So I'll just click on this, so it opens the image settings for me. As you can see here, the image file. I can delete this one, and I can click the upload button. I can upload one from my PC, which I've already done. So you can just select the file if you have an image of your product or of of your ebook on your computer. So I will go to my images. I have a book here and I will say insert. Okay, so now I have an image of my ebook. I have my form where people will enter their first name and their email address, and then they will click here to get their report. If you want to change this, add more fields, you can do so by going to the elements in the left-hand panel. For the form input, you can add more form detail here if you want first name, last name, but we just keep it simple. First name, email address, download your free ebook, and then you can add some text here if you want, like for instance. Okay, so I'll just put in there for your details below so we'll know where to send your ebook. First name, email address, and then it has a button which you can also customize. And then this field also you can edit it. We respect your privacy, so you can put something in there. Say for instance, I always put this. Okay, but you can put whatever you like. Then we're happy with our page. This is what it looks like. A single page, neat and clean. You can change the background. You have background color. You can upload a background image. If you have a background image you want to put there, you can change the color to whichever color you like. So let's say, for instance, we want it to be blue, but we'll keep it at white. So you can change it whatever the color you like. So we'll keep it neat and clean. This we can go ahead and delete block, and this is what it will look like. Okay, so whatever changes you've made, you need to save it, but you can preview it first. And this is exactly what your site will look like. People will, you will market this to them through social media, whatever the case might be. They will land on this page, they will enter their details, and they will click on get report. You can X out of this. Now you're back on your editor. Make sure you click on save changes, and then now you can go back. Okay, but before you do, we still have some editing to do. You want to edit your button. What should be the action of this button? It says here, submit form. Show a pop-up, open a URL, or it can go to the next step in your funnel. You want to submit a form. So you want to capture this person's email address. Okay, and then what is going to happen after they click on the form? You want this to go to the next step. You want this to go to the next step in your funnel. And once you've done this, you can click on the save changes and you can go back to your funnels. Now we will edit the thank you page. Okay, we've already selected the template. You click on edit page and it will take you to the page editor. Here we're on the page editor and we'll just delete this one, this image, and we will upload our own image like this. Whatever the case might be, you can put a little write-up in here. Whatever you like, you can delete it. Just thank you for showing interest, and your copy of my book, that's what we call it, is being packed up right now, and you can edit it. And then you can say, yeah, we want to delete some of these elements in here. We don't need them. It's just a thank you page. We want to edit the button. So what you want to put here is you are going to send them an email, or you are going to give them a download link where they are going to download this from. Let's say, for instance, they have you uploaded the ebook on Google Drive. You'll click on the button and then you will mention open URL, and then you will put your URL in here. I'll just put google.com for the purpose of this tutorial, and then you can edit your button. You can keep it congruent with your theme that you choose. You can change the text. You can say there download now, and you can change the background color. The theme is let's say green. The text color will be black. So we make that black. We can increase the font size, make it a little bit bigger, and also you can give it some rounded corners, something like this, and you can customize it the way you like. So yeah, keep this green, okay, whatever the case might be, and you don't need this menu up here, so we want to delete this. So once you're happy with this, you can go ahead and click view, and that's what it looks like. Download now, and you can X out of this and then save your changes, and you can go back to your funnels. So let's just view our funnel. So I will enter my name, we'll test it, if it works. I'll enter an email and I will say get this report, and it takes me to the thank you page, and it says download now. Once you click this one, I put the google.com link in there, but you will put where they can download the link, and there you go. That works perfect. Okay, so that is how you can set up a landing page to capture someone's email and send them, let them join your email campaign. You can market to them, and if you go to your contacts, you will see that I entered my email. It's now in my contacts, and I can send unlimited emails to this person. So that's it. I'm just going to delete this just to show you. In the next step, what I want to show you is you are not going to give away a product, but you are going to sell a product. You are still going to use the squeeze page, which is this one. So you're just going to, you can still capture the person's email. You can leave this like this, but instead of saying it's free, you can say get my ebook now. Best digital. And this you can leave here. If it has anything to do with free, just take it out. And the rest will be the same. It's going to go to the next step URL after they insert their details, and you can just save changes. You can change this out the way you like it. Now we can save changes. Now we can go back, and now we have to add a funnel step. You can either send them directly to the checkout page, okay, or you can send them to a sales page. So let's send them to a sales page. My book, we just call it my book sales page, and we're going to click here. Let's see if we can find. Okay, there you go. We have a sales page, and you go save it, and it will automatically send you back. You can choose any template you wish to use. Okay, they have hundreds of them. Let's just select this one. Once we've selected this, you can change the path, sales page, and once you click out, it should give you a go ahead. And now you can edit, you can view it and see what you would like to keep. So let's just scroll through this and see what we have here. Okay, already it has basically everything we need. So we can just edit this page. It looks good. We're going to X out of this, and then we're going to go to the page editor. And now you want to put all the information of your book. You want to edit all these fields. All these in the orange, you want to edit them, okay? And make sure that you edit your buttons, whichever ones you want to keep. So remove it. This button, we can remove it. We don't need it. If you want to keep this, you can put some details in here. A little bit about the book. You can write, edit a write-up, and who this book is for, what's inside. You can mention a little bit about what's inside, a little bit about yourself, and this we can delete. We don't want this. The pricing, we're not giving a preview. So this element, this block, we can completely delete it, and we will use only this, and we can edit it. Let's keep it at $9.99 for this book, license ebook. And you got any question who this book is for? This we don't need. We can just delete this section. Well, this is Steam.io. You can delete that, and then we can upload our book. Okay, this is the image file. You can delete that one, and we can go to our images. Already we've uploaded it, and there's your book. So if you're happy with your sales page, you can go ahead and save. If you don't want this menu, you just go ahead and delete it, and you can add a logo if you have a logo. You're happy with this, go ahead and edit your button. This will go to the next step URL, which will be your order form where people can order your product. This one goes to the next step URL, which is correct. And here's another buy now button. Let's see where this goes. Next step URL, program correctly. Maybe you just want to add a little bit of text in here, and you can say $9. You can bold it. You can change your text coloring, make it congruent with the rest of your funnel or your brand, and then you can go ahead and you can save your changes. So this step is done. You can go back to your funnels. So now we want to add a order form where people can enter their credit card detail, debit card details. So we're going to add a step, and we can call this my book order form or whatever. Let's just say order, whatever you want to call it, and you choose a type. You're going to say this is an order form, and we're done. Now you can select an order form. We will keep it simple. You have this one, and there you go. You can preview it here. This is what it looks like. These are all the fields. And now we're going to edit our order form, and we have place here for where we can upload images. We have place where your client can fill out their details. Most of these fields are not required. Like for instance, we delete this one. We can delete this. Company name we don't need. Tax number we don't need. First name, last name, email address, and phone number we don't need. Email address and country. And this will automatically select your country by your location. And then we have PayPal, we have a credit card, and you need to set up your payment details before you can do your order form. That we don't need. Okay, so let's just edit this quickly, and I will show you where to find the details for your payment gateways. Let's say this image, we don't have one there. I will put this one, insert it there. That one we can delete it, we don't need. Okay, what do we have here? This one we can delete, something like that, and you can put in extra image here if you like. Grab our image, insert it there. This one we can delete it, we don't need this. Obviously this also we don't need it, we can take it out, keep it neat and clean. Something else we need is a offer price, because we have to put our price in here. The people will enter their details, there's no pricing, so the system won't know how to charge them or what to charge them. We will put in a offer price, and that we can just drop it in here somewhere. Okay, that looks good, and you can space it the way you want it. So this looks good, that looks good. There's some reviews in here if you want to put it in here. Otherwise, no need for this. You can add some extra text here, and then you can go ahead and view what this order form will look like. There you go, place where they can enter their credit card detail. So I haven't change the text here, but you get the idea. If you're happy with it, click save, and then we can go back to our funnel system. Okay, so here's our funnel. So the next step after the squeeze page will be the sales page. So we need to make sure that our sales page comes in next, because this is where you're going to present right up to your ebook which you are selling, and then you have your order form. That will be the next step. We have already programmed next step URL, so it will be the next step in your funnel, which will be your order form. You can have your thank you page if you need a thank you page, or you can delete it. Let's just remove this one, confirm, and after the order form, squeeze page, sales page, order form, and after the order form, they will receive their product. Now, as I mentioned, for you to edit your order form, you need to go to settings, and you can go here to payment gateways, and here you have a lot of payment gateways. Depending on which country you are, you can set up, as you see, I've already set up Stripe and PayPal, and all you have to do is just click on the connect button, and you can go here to read this article, and it will explain to you exactly step by step, step 1, step 2, and it will show you exactly how to set up this entire payment gateway. I'm not going to do that now. You can go through it by yourself. I have a separate video where I explain exactly how this is done. So if you need help with that, you can view that video. I will leave a link to it in the description below this video. And let's go back to our funnel. So here's our funnel. Here's all the steps. We need to configure this one, set up a pricing plan. This will be a digital product. Oh, one thing that I failed to mention is you need to have a tag. Okay, so you can go here, you go to your tags, and you can create a tag, and you only allowed one tag. Okay, so we will set up this tag, call it my book. That's the name of the book, and we say save, and there you can see my book. So you've created your tag. You can go back to your sales funnel, and you can go to your order form, and then you can select a digital product. This we will leave. We won't do nothing there. We don't have affiliates selling our product, so we will set that to digital product. You can give it a name. Say, for instance, my book. You can go ahead, click on the plus sign. Let's say my book, and a resource. And now you need to add, because you need to send them their product once they make a payment. So you click on this button, you select a tag, and now you choose your tag, which will be my book, the one we've just set up now. Okay, so that is done. Now you want to set up a pricing plan. As we said, it's a one-time payment. If you have an existing plan, you can select it here, but we don't have one, so we will create a new one. You name it my book, and this is what will be displayed on the order form. I will show you in a couple of seconds, and then this what will be displayed on your dashboard in System.io. Okay, so you can make it the same. The statement descriptor is what will be displayed on your client's credit card statement or debit card statement or bank statement. Let's just keep it the name of the book. We said it's a one-time payment, and we said this is $9.99 US for the book. Once you finish with this, you go ahead and you click save. It will send you back to this page, and you click save again. Okay, so now we can view the funnel step, and I'll show you what we've just entered. Okay, there you go. My book. And you see a radio button here that shows $9.99, and you're good to go. What we can do is just edit this page again. We can click on this to make it a little bit wider, like that. Keep the color the same. That looks more balanced. And if you're happy the way it looks like, go ahead and click save, and you can preview it. And that is what it looks like. First name, last name, email address. You've edited this, removed what you don't want, add what you want, and you are happy with it. Go back to your funnels, and now you can test it. So you can click view funnel step. Okay, so this is the first step. This is your capture page where the person will insert the email. They're interested in your book. They want to check it out. I will put my information in here. I will put my email address in here, and I will say, get the report or get the ebook or whatever the case might be. Then it will go to my sales page. Oh, this book is $9.99. No, man, this is great. And you will go through your website, through your sales page, and you'll see a buy now button over here, and you'll see a buy now button over here. So whichever one he clicks, it will take him over to the order form. You can enter his information here, and as I mentioned, your country or your location will automatically be displayed here. I'm currently in Thailand, and I can add my details. I can select a credit card, or I can select PayPal, whatever the case might be. And I can say buy now, and entire funnel system working 100%. Okay, so you can X out of this, and again, if you go to contacts, you will see I've added my details here, and if I buy this book, the system will automatically know by the tags that I bought this book, and through your automation, you can set up a rule that this person will receive an email with a link to the product, with the download link to the ebook, as it's a digital product, not a physical product. Okay, so that is the entire process. So by now you will know how to set up a capture page to capture people's emails by giving away a free book as a lead magnet. And secondly, you will know how to set up an entire sales process using your capture page, your squeeze page, directing them to your sales page, and from there to your order form where they can order your product, and how to send it out to them. If you found this information to be useful, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I'll be posting tutorials on the System.io platform, so you won't miss out on anything. I have a playlist. You can go through the playlist. There's a lot of information I provide there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.